y. By the same way, you have to standardized the formula for Charpit's method here. So the first type is of P and Q only. So if it is of P and Q means differentiate with respect to x, y, z, all the term is 0 because it contains only pq. So you have to integrating that term dp by 0 equal to dq by 0. You have to integrating it. You got p equal to a and q equal to b. You have to substitute in the given equation. So dz equal to p dx plus q dy. You got a dx plus b dy. That is, you have to integrate it. You got finally z equal to ax plus by plus c. So type is it contains of p and q. Second type is what? Uh, three variables. It contains three variables, either x, y, z, or xpq, ypq, or zpq. So it is any one of this form means you can use the type 2 here. So if x only contain in that term means yz value is 0. So yz differentiation is 0 here. So capital Fx equal to small fx, fy equal to 0, fz equal to 0, and fp equal to fp and fq equal to fq. You have to substitute in the Charpit's method formula. So that fy term, fz term is 0. So you have to substitute in that formula. So dp by fx plus pfz. So fz value is 0, fy value is 0. So fy fz value is 0 means second term dq by 0. So second term is not present here. So the remaining term you have to substitute here. The simplified form is what? dp by fx, dq by 0, dz by pfp, qfq, and dx by fp, and dy by fq here. So you have to dq by 0 equal to 0, dq equal to 0 means q equal to a. You have to substitute q value equal to a here. So in fourth unit you have know that zpq type you have to substitute u equal to ax plus y. Finally you have to replace u in terms of ax plus y. Similarly by the same method here also you have to use. So dz by, it is a function of zn a here. So a dx plus dy here. So you have to integrate that term and you got ax plus y plus b here, which is a complete integral solution for the second type. And two more type is there, that is one is Clairaut's type and another one is px equal to qy. So for px equal to qy you have to consider capital F1 equal to F1 of x comma p, and capital F2 equal to small f2 of y comma q. So you have to differentiate partially f with respect to x, with respect to p, x, y, z. So everything you have to do. uh, in subsidiary equation you have to substitute, like, because px is in one term and qy is in another term. So dp by dou f1 by dou x, and dx by dou f1 by dou p. So you, here you have to using this formula, and you are taking the reciprocal means dou f1 by dou p into dp plus dou f1 by dou x into dx, which is equal to 0. So you have to integrate it. You got the solution. F1 is a function of p and x. Its integration value is f1 of x comma p. Arbitrary constant is a here. Similarly, f2 is a function of y and q. Is integrating constant is b here. So p is a function of psi 1 of x comma a, and q is a function of psi 2 of y comma b. So dz equal to psi 1 of x comma a dx plus psi 2 of y comma b dy here. So you have to integrate this. You got the final solution for the type 3. And type 4 is Clairaut's type. Clairaut's type is z equal to px plus qy plus f of pq is the format here. So you have to take the variables to the left side. So z minus px minus qy minus f of pq, that is a function f. You have taken it as f here. So you have to differentiate with respect to x, y, z. So you have to differentiate with respect to x means x coefficient is minus p, and you have to differentiate with respect to y means y's coefficient is minus q, and you have to differentiate with respect to z means you got value is 1 here. So you have to substitute this value in the subsidiary equation, that is general Chapman's method formula. You have to substitute this value. So you got dp by 0 equal to dq by 0. So you have to equating the ratio and integrating, you got p equal to a and q equal to b. So you have substitute p equal to a and q equal to b directly, you got the solution, and finally you have to integrate means you got the solution for that kind of problem. So whatever you see in unit 4, that is common to Chapman's method also. So here also there is a four different types of given equation and 4 different types of solution, how you can calculate from this standard type. So normally if the equation is in the form x, y, p, q and z means you have to differentiate with respect to x, y, z, p, q. So you have to differentiate and substitute in the Chapman's method formula and equating the ratio, you got a solution.